Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to start your own t-shirt business using a heat press machine. Whether you're looking to take some side income or launch a full-blown brand, this step-by-step guide is perfect if you're starting from home with a small budget. Before we dive in, let me answer the big question. Is it worth starting a t-shirt business with a heat press? Absolutely! With low startup costs, minimal space needed, and high demand for custom clothing, this is one of the best home-based businesses in 2025. And trust me, once you learn how easy it is to use a heat press, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Here's exactly what I used and recommend. A heat press machine, like the 16-in-1 heat press or the double location heat press. The 16-in-1 does t-shirts, mugs, caps, plates, you name it. And the double location has a dual plate design, so you can press two shirts at once without sacrificing quality or efficiency. Blank t-shirts, go for 100% cotton or cotton poly blends. Quality matters. Heat transfer paper to put your design on. A printer like the DTF direct to film printer to print your designs on the heat transfer paper, or a print supplier that prints your designs for you. A laptop or tablet for designing, and of course your creativity. This is where the fun starts. I usually use Canva, CorelDRAW, or Adobe Illustrator to create my designs. When it comes to designs that sell, niche is everything. Think funny quotes, pet lovers, local pride, motivational tees. And make sure you use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm slogans or generate mock-ups. Let me show you exactly how I press a t-shirt. Preheat your heat press machine to the default temperature of about 160 to 180 degrees. Place your t-shirt on the base plate and pre-press for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Position your design on the shirt and add your non-stick Teflon sheet. Press firmly for 10 seconds depending on the material. Peel off the transfer paper. With these machines, you don't have to wait for it to cool down. And that's it. You've just made a custom t-shirt. This is where people get excited. A blank t-shirt might cost you 40 to 60 Rand. Add in ink, vinyl, and electricity. Your total cost is around 70 to 90 Rand. Sell it for 180 to 250 Rand, and you're making solid profit margins. Sell just 10 t-shirts a day. That's over 50,000 Rand a month in revenue. Here are platforms I recommend using: Instagram and Facebook shops, Shopify or Etsy, pop-up stores and local markets, bulk orders for schools, events, or companies. Want to take things to the next level? Start collecting customer emails from day one. Use SEO optimized product names like custom cotton dad tee or funny graphic t-shirts for dog lovers. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write your product descriptions and add copy. Starting a t-shirt business with a heat press machine is hands down one of the smartest moves in 2025. It's affordable, scalable, and super creative. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.